Okay, this is a Bridgeport 3-axis CNC vertical mill. It's got a PROTOTRAK AGE3 control. You've got ball screws on the X and Y axis of the table and the Z axis of the quill, and motors. We're going to run it for you right now. It's got a 1.5 horsepower motor on the spindle and R8 collet capacity.
We'll jog Z first.
Okay.
You can see it's jogging there, and you can also see the quill.
Quill is coming down. You can see it moving on the control.
There's also a sight in here you can watch to see how far.
Okay, but you can see the quill is nice. Hasn't been all guffed up.
Go back up.
Just bringing it back.
Rapid movement. I'll do it one more time down minus so you can see the rapid. Go back up.
Okay.
And we'll jog Y, X. We'll do X first.
So in manual mode, this acts as a digital readout. In CNC mode, it's a 3-axis.
Yes, you can. We'll count.
Okay. Oh yeah, you can show the Y. You can also jog the Y. Okay.
Lock the spindle. High range.
Running the spindle.
It's roughly 1600 RPM.
Spindle brake. He's putting into low gear.
Low range. Right in the middle. It's the top end.
Yep. There's the high and the low range. And it's going down to the low and the low range. Okay.
Stop.
And that's it. That's your table. That's your Bridgeport box. Nick, can you open the box? It's got a central box.
The control.
That was an option from Bridgeport. That's your CNC control. Again, that's your 3-axis. They must have done an exchange at one point with PROTOTRAK. The box is new in 08. Again, it is an AGE3 box control. You know, it says AGE2 on the front. Thank you for watching the video.